The Keychron Q1, is an impressive mechanical keyboard that offers a unique and customizable typing experience. With Hall effect switches, this keyboard provides an innovative approach to key actuation, allowing you to tailor the sensitivity to your preference. You can make the keys more responsive, requiring less force to register a keystroke, or increase the resistance to avoid accidental key presses. This feature is a game changer, especially for gamers, as it gives you precise control and a competitive edge. One of the standout features is the rapid trigger setting, which enables you to execute multiple key presses without fully releasing the key. This function is a dream come true for gamers, offering lightning-fast response times and an edge in high-intensity gaming situations. The Keychron Q1 is not just about the switches. It's a well-built, high-quality keyboard that aligns with Keychron's reputation for producing exceptional mechanical keyboards. Even if you're not a tech enthusiast or a gamer, this keyboard is worth considering. The ability to customize the actuation point adds a unique and personal touch to your typing experience. Whether you're a writer, a programmer, or just someone who spends a lot of time at their desk, the Keychron Q1 offers an enjoyable and efficient typing experience. So, if you're in the market for a new keyboard and want something that offers both performance and customization, the Keychron Q1 is definitely worth checking out.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.